TikTok Songs
Song
21, Garam and Madhu Fian Blue versus someone.
Let's play.
Natasha.
Natasha, yeah.
Iltash. Okay, something.
Stage name, I think.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, Fiend. This song is Fiend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fiend.
I know.
Fiend. That song.
Nice.
Like, I
On
think
dance.
I think the Fiend part would have been better if he did it.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you got that
He got the tone going
tone
on.
And she
This
got
is
the
good.
sweet.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is good.
Doja Cat.
Yeah, Doja Cat song. Ooh, push to start Tyler.
Wow.
Like
what a
these
vocal.
songs are being switched and like
It's a
sang at the same time.
Yeah,
Like
it's-
one to another is being switched.
It's
That's
mix
really
and
good.
mixing.
It's like
Songs
you were
together.
scrolling your reel section,
Yeah,
like reel
TikTok.
page, reel for you page,
Yeah.
literally.
Let's play. Ooh.
Nice.
Nice.
Noise. The weekend.
Guys.
Blinding lights.
Guys.
Yeah, he
Ooh.
got that really good voice.
His vocal is really
Yeah.
good, and also when she is doing the duet part, it's also like complimenting him.
Yeah.
Except for the Fiend part, because I thought that would have been better in his voice only.
Yeah.
Fiend.
In girl voice, it sounds different.
Yeah.
Kid Laroi girl. Wow.
Possessive.
Rose, Toxic Killer.
Nice.
In one beat, they are
Nice.
singing
Yeah.
every song.
This is good.
Yeah.
Symphony. Yeah, Symphony was really like high in the For You page. Like everybody
Yeah.
was using Symphony.
TikTok, they
in
is
TikTok
famous.
as well as in
Instagram
Instagram Reels, like YouTube Shorts even.
Yeah.
So
Fiend also very
Fiend
popular.
also, yeah,
In
Fiend too.
2024 this was
Fiend or
best song.
Symphony, these songs were really up in the game. Ooh, sorry about that. Who's that girl? Nice. They
Wow.
matched every song in that beat.
Yeah, and also
Like-
it's more like they're sharing the feeling
Yeah, it's so nice. Like
to each other.
a song
It's
to
love.
another, a song to another.
Yeah.
It's being changed, and you won't even notice if you are not noticing the upper section where they are
Yeah.
mentioning which song
Yeah,
is it,
yeah.
right? That's really good.
Ska, DMT,
Yeah.
and Lil Daniela Marley.
Ooh. Daniela, we did a song of
Yeah,
Daniela,
Daniela.
no?
Yeah. So good.
Even they're changing languages as well. That's
Yeah.
good.
Oh,
Tum hi ho. Oh my
Dude,
god.
to
Tum
me,
hi
what
ho.
is this thing?
You
Wow,
should.
he did the
listen
Bollywood
to it.
song
yeah,
from
as well.
India.
Even his voice was good.
Yeah.
Like even his pronunciation was good. To be
Yeah.
honest, that's good. That's nice.
He did justice to the song. Love this.
Tum hi ho actually very old song. Like it's
Yeah.
been what?
It's been decade.
It's been a
12
decade.
years, 12
It's been a
years,
decade.
because
Tum hi ho has been
Yeah.
released. So you can see the hype. It's so like it's been so many
Yeah,
years,
12,
but we are
2012,
still
I think.
it's still we are still listening to it. It's
Yeah.
on the Go till now. Go to playlist till
Yeah.
now. That's really big. Like
We
that's
used to
really.
we used to
yeah.
sing whenever we get with our friends.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we sang and
yeah.
we cry a lot.
Yeah, and seeing this here, it's really nice and
Yeah.
emotional kind of because it's our song.
It's nostalgic.
It's
Yeah,
our
it's
song.
our song.
Yeah, it's our song. Tum hi ho.
मेरी जिंदगी.
Okay, let's play. Wow.
Lady Gaga, Bruno
Wow.
Mars, Die with a Smile. Oof.
If
Again.
they do the apata, I will be happy.
Yeah.
Apata.
Yeah, kind of. I would like that. Rose and Bruno Mars.
Yeah.
Rose from Blackpink and Bruno Mars.
Oh,
Nice. They did some editing there.
yeah. It's so subtle.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Young Kai, Blue.
Wow.
It's there, so
Wow.
nice. Very cute.
Yeah.
Cutesy editing. Oh, not
Nice.
bad actually.
Really
This
good.
is
I
really
love
nice.
this.
The way
They are
like
really good.
there were 21 songs, right? And also
Nice coordination also.
there was nice coordination, and at the same time, if you don't know all of the songs, you
Yeah.
wouldn't even notice there is Marge.
Yeah.
Like if you are not noticing the upper part where they are mentioning the song
song.
name and who sang it, if you don't notice that, you won't realize it is not the same song.
Yeah.
You won't. This is the this is what I was talking about. This is really good.
Yeah.
The way they merged all of them together, it's really,
really
nice.
nice.
Phenomenal. Thank you so much, guys. And if you have anything to say, you can just say it.
Thank you for
Don't
watching.
forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, that's
Guys,
it.
thank you so much. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and subscribe as you said. And we will see you in the next video. Till then, you can watch our other videos in the channel. Until then, bye bye.